Hey, welcome back to another live here on Instagram. And if you're watching this on replay on Facebook, YouTube, or any platforms, I wanted to say welcome and thank you for joining me. Yes, my name is Israel from IsraelNavarro.com, and I'm here to talk to you guys how to adapt to the changes on the Facebook arithmetic, which specifically I'm going to talk to you more specific for 2021 and going on. So what are Facebook arithmetics? This is basically the rhythm of what Facebook thinks is what you like, what you're interested, what you're looking for, and everything. So this is when you realize if you give like to someone and you like their baby's pictures, well, and you start noticing Facebook keeps on putting a lot of baby stuff. Or if you like about cars, if you like about dogs, and you started noticing that they keep on posting and posting and posting and posting this content, well, that is the arithmetic that Facebook is providing for you. So basically, if you notice when someone gets engaged or someone's in a relationship, if you notice, that's one of the first things Facebook's like to share because it's something they like. And obviously, the more positive love and more positive energy, so that's why relationships is always first. The second thing, you're going to see the content type, things that you really like or really interested, they're going to be pushing that into it. So if you like Wall Street Journal, Forbes, CNN, Fox News, whatever you are into, and you start noticing like content related to that or to that kind of media outlet, you're going to start seeing it. It keeps on pushing it and pushing it nonstop. Also, the popularity. Whoever gets like a 500 likes, obviously, out of your friends, you're going to see that post. The person that has so many views on the videos, you're just going to start constantly seeing that. And the other thing you're going to do is also what's recent. So those are the four things that Facebook does in arithmetic. So that's why when you always look at your news feed, you always see that, especially on Facebook. Now, how do you, if you are growing your business online, how do you beat this? Yes, this is something where a lot of people does. I'm not saying, obviously I do more of my content here on Instagram and then I repost it on Facebook and YouTube, all that stuff. But one of the key things, and I know majority of the people here on my Instagram that do follow me are actually very interested in growing their businesses on Facebook. So I'm going to share you guys right now 4 simple tips that you can do to actually make yourself more popular on Facebook and people can start seeing your business, your brand, when they start opening their social media. So the tip number 1, here you go. You have to reply back. I know I've spoke to this many times in previous videos that I have done, but you have to sit there and you have to reply back. So if someone gives you, say, hey, great post, say thank you so much. You want to keep on commenting. You want to give them likes. You want to give them love. If you really love that comment, give them love. Because the more you give that love, more people see it. I'm going to use my girlfriend on this example. When she changes profile picture, she gets over like 500 likes. Obviously, when she posts pictures with me, she gets like 2 likes. But if I notice something, and actually when I was doing research for this topic, because she has over 50 loves and roughly like 5 cares, that makes her post so popular. So people who are her friends will see it. And that's why some people will be quick to hit I like. But because there's a 50 plus people that gave that love, makes her look popular. And if you guys like this, well, guess what? Here's the best thing about replying back. If you like this comment so far, give me a thumbs up. But here's the second thing I want to share with you guys that I think is going to be very great for you. And this is getting people to interact within your post. Not so much besides you interacting, saying thank you, but you want people to start. If you notice this when you're on like Facebook groups or you're on Instagram, even Twitter, if you notice when people, let's say they post who's better, LeBron and Jordan, but you see the argument between the people and the person who posted it isn't even involved in the comment, but other people are going back and forth at each other like, no, this is Jordan's better, no, LeBron's better, well, Jordan has 6 rings, LeBron has 4, but more wins or more stats, whatever. And you're just constantly seeing that back and forth between people. Well, guess what? If you notice, those posts are the ones when you open your news feeds are like, because Facebook is saying like, hey, interact with this, hey, look at this, this is what you have to see, give your opinion, let's go, blah, blah, blah. They want you to be involved. That's why Facebook does that. It's because they like seeing interaction with people. Even they don't have to be friends with each other. They just need to see 2 different people going at it one after another. So that's the cool thing. Now, here is the other thing. You want to aim for love. Now, going back to the example of my girlfriend picture. Because she gets 50 plus loves on her profile picture, more and more people see it. More and more people are quickly to like. More and more people are to comment. She replies back to them, and it keeps her profile picture popular for, over a week. And sometimes she gets to 1,000 likes on just a picture. But because of so many because love is more authentic than just giving someone a like. So if you're loving this video, come on, share the love. Hit those hearts. Hit that heart. I want to feel it. But those loves make it so authentic, so original, that it makes it more popular, her post, because this means more people are genuinely looking at her stuff. So if you notice, even for your own self, even let's say it's not business related, but you're noticing you're getting more love on your post, that is just more authentic. And that makes Facebook say, hey, this is post some people have to look. So those are 3 tips I'm sharing with you guys. If you guys are liking this, give me some heart signs to let me know you guys are watching it this far. Now, here is the thing. Here's the fourth and final tip. You want to post when your audience is online. So if you know noontime is the best time for them to watch your videos, post on noontime. If you know it's 9 a.m., post at 9 a.m. If you know it's 8 p.m., post at 8 p.m. But post at a time when you know majority of your audience are sitting there and watching your content. Because when you do this, your post is going to get more popular, you're going to get more likes, you're going to get the interaction you want, your business is going to blossom, people are going to share your post, you're going to keep on growing, and guess what? I'm going to see you guys at the top. So if you guys are really determined on making growth on your social media, I hope these tips help you out. And if you guys are very interested, yes, I'm learning how to grow your business like I do on Instagram. Well, here's the cool tip. You can go into my link in my bio here on Instagram. The link's right there. Sign up, your name, email, and you'll start getting within 24 hours my ebook, Profit Instant Magnet, so you guys can grow on Instagram. And if you are watching this on replay or any platform, most likely in the comment section below, there's the link. So hit that link, sign up, and get there. Guys, if you like more videos, let me know. But I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Take care. God bless you.